Okay everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today's going to be part 2 of some of the mods I plan on doing to this Honda Civic. So one of the things I plan on doing is installing a voltage reader. My plan is to try to probably put it right about there. So this part's too curved. Like, I thought about doing it here, but it's too curved here. There's definitely a curve in this. So it's not going to sit flush, not going to look well. And it just wasn't any, like, if I try to put it here, it might go there, but a lot of wiring and stuff that comes by. Where here, there's not that much. So if I take my pry tool, and I pry here, and here, and that part pulls out. When I feel behind here, there's no wiring or anything, so I'm not at risk of damaging anything back here, because I'm going to be drilling into this. I'm going to do this in short sections, try to keep this video as short as possible, so I'm not going to film the whole process, and so that way you guys could just see the end result, okay? So hopefully I'll have the next part soon. Okay everyone, welcome back. Still part 2. We drilled out the hole for the voltage readout, and we also drilled out the holes where we're going to be screwing this in. Ran the wire. It's just one ground and a positive. Tied it into the fuse box for an accessory only that was didn't have a spot taken. So now we just gotta finish wiring this up, mount it, and this part will be done. Okay everyone, so now it was all hooked in, everything's set, tied down, looks good. We're going to start the car now. So, like I said, it's currently off, you can't see anything. I burn it to the accessory, comes up. So these are very helpful for, as you just saw, those changes in voltages can tell you a lot about your car. So you saw it drop down from about 11.7 to 9.6. That was the starter taking a draw off the battery. And that can give you a great idea if your starter's going, if you suspect it going bad, it could be going bad, and so on and so forth. Now 14.2 volts tells us that the system is charging, that the alternator is working, it's producing current. And obviously this car should be sitting at 12.6 volts roughly, not 11.7, which is a sign that the battery's slowly going bad. So having one of these could be a great way to tell you the health of your car. If your starter's good, your alternator's good, if your battery's good, it's a great upgrade and a great accessory, and not that expensive. Everything I got to do this job was probably, maybe at most, 20 bucks. And like I said, it's a great upgrade, and it ties into some of the next upgrades I'll be showing you guys that I plan on doing to the electrical system to further improve and help the battery. Plus, obviously, this has just confirmed that the battery's not in the greatest shape. I've kind of known that for a little bit, and I do plan to go over that a little bit more in another video about changing the battery and testing it, and specifically with a multimeter. That's how I was able to find out which port was an accessory port. I just ran this probe to ground, and then from there I would check all the others with this probe. And I did it in the off position, and then I did it in the on position to accessory, just before you turn the engine over. And that's how I was able to determine which one I wanted to use when I tied into the fuse panel. So hopefully, like I said, I'll keep a few more videos like this coming, and hopefully you guys find this helpful. Maybe even do it to your own car, and like I said, add a little bit of flair to it. Okay, everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. If you did, hit that like button, consider subscribing. Take care, everyone.